Be honest. You can't sit still. You can't focus. You can't work without checking something. Your hand reaches for your phone before your mind even decides. You call it a break. You call it multitasking. But deep down, you know. You're addicted. This isn't about laziness. This isn't about motivation. It's about control. Your attention is being pulled in every direction, and every time it happens, you lose a little more of yourself. Let's take it back. Habit 1. Stop touching your phone without a reason. Right now, you grab your phone without thinking. No purpose, no goal. Just habit. Solution? Before you touch it, ask one question. Why? If there's no clear reason, don't pick it up. Awareness breaks addiction. Unconscious action feeds it. Habit 2. Sit in silence every day. Silence makes you uncomfortable. That's why you avoid it. Music, videos, noise always. Solution? 10 minutes. No input. No phone, no sound. Just you and your thoughts. Discomfort is where control returns. Habit 3. Do one thing without escape. You work, but you escape every few minutes. Check, scroll, switch. Your mind never finishes anything. Solution? Set a timer. One task, no exits. When the urge hits, don't move. Focus is rebuilt by resistance. Habit 4. Make distraction hard to access. If distraction is easy, you'll choose it. Every time. Solution? Delete the apps, log out, move the phone away. Willpower is weak. Environment is strong. Change what's around you. Habit 5. Replace stimulation with structure. You don't need more content. You need more structure. Solution? Fixed work time, fixed rest time, fixed sleep time. When your day has shape, distraction loses power. No one forced this addiction on you, and no one is coming to remove it. That's on you. Every time you resist the urge, you get stronger. Every time you focus, you take your life back. Silence the noise, control your attention. No noise, only discipline.